Hi, this is Amy Cuenca, and you are watching my 2-minute tech tip video on Booksnaps using Google Slides. So you may be wondering, what are Booksnaps? In the same way that Snapchat provides a visual way to show how someone feels or what they are experiencing, Booksnaps are a visual to connect to the text and share our reaction to what we read. So let's get started for our 2-minute tip. After students read a book or an excerpt from a book or other reading assignment, they should start with a Google slideshow and a blank slide. Students will need to use a computer or device with a camera for this first step, as they will need to insert an image using the camera on their device. After inserting the image of their text and sizing it to about half the size of the blank slide, students will then insert a text box anywhere on their slide so that it is easily readable and doesn't cover the text they are referring to. Students will then type a short 2 to 3 sentence annotation in the text box about how the text makes them feel, images that pop into their mind, predictions or foreshadowing, or even questions they may have about the text. Next, students can use the line or scribble tool to underline the specific part of the text they are referring to in their annotation. They can even change the color or thickness of the line so that it shows up better against the photo of the text. Finally, students will insert an emoji in order to provide a visual image of their reaction to the text. As you can imagine, Booksnaps are easily translatable to other subject areas, including social studies, science, and even math. Check out this example of a math snap. You may also consider having first day of school snaps, and you will find that using snaps as a learning tool is great in personalized learning classrooms. After you try out Booksnaps for yourself, please let me know what you think, and definitely share examples from your class and tag me on Twitter. I can't wait to see what you and your students create.